Here's a quick video of a Forest River 27 RKL limited edition. Actual length is about 32 feet, trailer to bumper. This model has a rack built into the back for carrying extras with the spare tires mounted. Has an outdoor kitchen, complete with a small refrigerator, ice maker, and stovetop. Tires are in excellent condition. This camper is about 1 year old. It's a 2021 model. Storage in the front goes completely through, and a significant amount of room. It also includes your solar panel on the roof, monitor, battery disconnect, and motion sensing light. All the panels are magnetically held up and quick slam connects. Battery in the front, 2 propane tanks, 30-pound, a powered lift, a single large slide out. It contains the dining area and a living room sofa. A 1500 rooftop air conditioner, which does a significantly good job for the unit. This unit comes with a 20-foot powered awning that is either controlled by a panel inside the camper, or you can use an app on your phone to control everything in this camper. These are called a step above steps. They're adjustable for all heights and situations. They fold into the camper easily. You walk into the living room area. There's an electric fireplace. Keeps it warm. TV, smart TV with a sound bar. In the slide out is a sofa recliner, which folds out into a bed. I'm sorry, a sofa, not a recliner. Dining area, which also can fold into another bed. Large storage doors underneath it. Around to the back of the camper is a pantry. Large storage area. A refrigerator. It's 12 volt, which means it's very efficient, and it can run on the battery while you're traveling to keep your food cold. I believe 10 is the size of it, and pretty much the same as a residential unit. Freezer above. In the kitchen area, a large country kitchen stainless sink, flexible faucet, hot and cold, soap dispenser, and this insert can be used for more countertop space or storage. Got an oven, 3-burner stovetop, which also has glass overlay for more countertop space. Countertop in the back with power for your coffee makers, etc. Also power under the cabinets. A movable recliner, so it actually comes with 2 of them, but we only use 1. To the back, your control panel, your battery voltage monitor, and a thermostat for your heating and air conditioning. bathroom, a fairly large vanity, medicine cabinet, storage cabinet, and a rounded corner shower. Custom shower head makes the showers a little nicer. Toilet is ceramic, heavy duty, foot pedal. And right behind the bathroom in the front of the camper is the bedroom. From the bathroom you've got a sliding barn door to access it. Full queen size bed. This is not the original mattress. I bought this mattress much more comfortable after we got the camper. And hanging storage on either side and all the way across the top. Air conditioning is ducted to the bedroom, the bathroom, the kitchen, and all over the camper. The sound system is Bluetooth, HDMI, USB, all the above, and can be played over the speakers inside and the speakers outside. Speaking of which, I upgraded the speakers on the outside of the camper. I'll show them to you. These are the new, better sounding speakers outside. They're set up for a TV outside if you wish to mount it. Your cable hookups and your power. Hot water tank. We take 2 showers at a time and never run out of hot water with a 6-gallon tank. This camper comes with all the accessories we've collected over the year and a half and ready to camp. It contains all the power, cables, tanks, hose connections, surge protectors, propane tanks, etc. Many others that you would have to spend thousands on before you went camping if they weren't already here. Also, I'm including first class sway control hitch. It is the hitch is the Equalizer, which is the top rated sway control hitch included, about $1,000. Also, this door can be screen door or glass door. There's a shade in the window up here. If you opt to use the glass door, I think it looks very sharp. Any questions? My name is Mike. You can reach me at 513-404-4906.